In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an app from Apple ID. This process is essential for managing your digital space effectively. While you cannot completely remove an app from your Apple ID purchase history, you can delete it from your device or hide it from your list of purchased apps. This tutorial will guide you through these steps clearly and simply. To delete an app from your iPhone or iPad, start by locating the app icon on your home screen. Once you find it, touch and hold the app icon until a menu appears. This method of accessing the app options is intuitive and designed for ease of use. Tap on the option that says Remove App. This will lead you to another prompt where you will see Delete App. Tap on Delete App and confirm your choice. Keep in mind that deleting an app removes it from your device, but it does not erase it from your Apple ID purchase history. This distinction is important because it ensures that you can always download the app again if you change your mind. Next, if your goal is to hide an app from your purchase history rather than delete it, the steps are quite different. Begin by opening the App Store on your device. This is where you can manage your downloaded apps and explore new ones. Once you are in the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This action will take you to your account settings, where you can see your purchased apps. From there, tap on Apps or Purchased. This section contains a list of all the apps you have downloaded. It's important to note that these apps remain tied to your account even if you choose to hide them. To find the app you want to hide, scroll through the list. Once you locate it, swipe left on the app's name. This gesture will reveal a Hide option. Tap on Hide to remove the app from your visible purchase history. Hidden apps are no longer visible in your purchase history, but will still be associated with your Apple ID. This method is helpful for decluttering your purchase list. Now let's move on to stopping an app from using Sign In with Apple. Open the Settings app on your device to get started. This app is a central hub for managing all your device configurations. Once in Settings, tap your name at the top of the screen. This action leads you to your Apple ID settings, where you can manage your account details and security. Next, select Sign In and Security. This section contains all the privacy and sign-in options for your account. Tap on Sign In with Apple to see which apps are using this feature. Choose the app you want to disconnect. After selecting the app, tap Stop Using Apple ID. This step is crucial because it effectively disconnects the app from your Apple account, ensuring your information remains secure. Finally, if you wish to permanently delete the account you created inside an app, you need to do so through the app's own settings. This is an essential step because simply deleting the app does not remove your account or its data. Apple requires apps that support account creation to provide a clear way for users to request account deletion. It is a good practice to check the app's settings for this option to ensure your personal information is managed according to your preferences. By following these steps, you can effectively manage apps associated with your Apple ID. This not only helps in keeping your device organized, but also ensures your privacy and security are maintained.